little blue truck leads the way. Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? Towering buildings scrape the sky. Beep, said Blue. The city is high. Zoom, roared trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus. With big red letters, rides are us. A grocery truck gave the horn a blast. Move it, bud. I'm first. You're last. Whee! Came a siren. Coming through. Busy police car things to do. Swoosh, 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 went a big street sweeper, hollering, hey, better move, little beeper. Make way, yelled the limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. I've got his honor, the mayor, inside. I'm important. Move aside. Hi, Parson. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue. For goodness sakes. You might be fast, and I might be slow. But one at a time is the way to go. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough, and the engine died. He was stuck right there, with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? Everybody watching gave a shout when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out. His honor climbed on top of Blue and gave a speech the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck. This good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do. So single file, folks, and follow Blue. Trucks and buses got in line with vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom went the drums, and the trumpets played. They rolled along the avenue, and everyone waved to Little Blue. They clapped their hands and yelled, hooray, for the little blue truck who led the way.